Hey everybody, it's Friday and I'm back at King's Dominion for another update. 2 pieces of track added to that dive loop, as well as the supports. But other than that, no visible changes today. We're now only 5 days away from the announcement, so it's going to be interesting to see how much they get done Monday and Tuesday. And of course, I'll be back to update you guys on anything that happens. A question for anyone still watching this video: what do you think the name of this ride is going to be? I've run through a whole list of possibilities and I'm probably totally off with everything that I've come up with. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you think the name of this new roller coaster is going to be? Work continues at the old Mac Bowl location. They've covered those windows so you can't see inside, and they've also started work on the outside today as well. That's it for this update. I'll be back next week. See ya.